name is Anil Nair. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about a very important topic for all aptitude related examinations, that is data sufficiency. Now, before solving the problem, let us understand the definition of data sufficiency. Please remember, in data sufficiency problems, we are not interested in getting the answers for the questions alone. We are also interested in telling that by attaching few more statements to the questions, can we solve the question or not? That's how data sufficiency is different from quantitative aptitude related problems. For example, let us try to solve the problem present on the screen. Question states, is Z even? Two more statements are attached to the question. Statement 1, 5Z is even. Statement 2, 3Z is even. Those of you who don't know the skeleton of data sufficiency questions, let me explain the skeleton of data sufficiency question. In a data sufficiency question, a question will be asked and there will be two statements that will be attached to the question, and there will be four more answer options. Four answer options does not contain answers, but they contain the statements like this. First option will have, if statement alone is required to solve the question. Second option will be, if statement 2 alone is required to solve the question. Statement 3, both statement 1 and 2 together are required to solve the question. Fourth one, even after combining both the statements, you will not be able to get the answer. So a student is expected to tick mark any out of these four questions. Please keep in mind, all the students, there is a flow chart to solve data sufficiency question. You cannot take an option 3 without taking option 1 and 2. The flow chart to solve a data sufficiency question is, first you have to take statement 1 and you have to check whether you can solve the question or not. If you are able to get the answer, unique answer, that means statement 1 alone helps us to solve a question. If you are not able to get the answer, or you are getting more than one answer, then you will go to statement 2. Again, statement 2 can give us two choices. Choice 1, it helps us in getting a unique answer. Choice 2, either it will not lead us to an answer or it will lead us to multiple answers. Then you will combine both the statements. Both the statements can also give us two choices. Choice 1, it can give us a unique answer. Choice 2, either no answer or more than one answer. Then you will go to statement 4. Most of the students will do a mistake while solving this question. I am sure the students who are watching this video, their answer to this question is, each statement alone can help us to solve the question, which is an incorrect answer. Let me explain why you got an incorrect answer before me telling the right answer. First of all, in this question, anywhere is it mentioned that Z is a natural number? It is not mentioned. Then why are you taking statement 1, that is 5Z is even, 5Z is even, 5 is an odd number multiplied by any number is even, that number has to be even number, so Z is even. Why are you assuming Z to be a natural number? Is it mentioned in the question? No. The first rule to solve a data sufficiency question is no assumptions. No assumptions. If it is not mentioned which set that variable belongs to, you will not assume it to be an integer unless and until it is specified in the question. Second rule while solving a data sufficiency question. Always look for an unique and a definite answer. Underline that word, unique and a definite answer. Unique answer, what does that mean? For example, x square equivalent to 1. X will give, if x is an integer, x will give plus or minus 1. For x square equivalent to 1, x does not have a unique value. X has got two values, that is plus or minus 1. Unique value means the variable should take a singular numerical value. Definite answer. What do you mean by a definite answer? Question specified in the question is Z even? Is Z even? You should be able to say that Z is even in all the cases or Z is not even in all the cases. You cannot make a statement that Z is even in this context, Z is odd in this context. Remember these two rules again. I am repeating. Data sufficiency, two golden rules. Always look for a unique and a definite answer. No assumption. Assumption is the root cause of all the problems in your personal as well as professional life also. Now let me solve this question. Question. Is Z even? Two statements. Statement 1, 5Z even. Statement 2, 3Z even. I will pick first statement alone. 5Z even. If 5Z is even, 5Z can be equated with 2 or 5Z can be equated with 10. If 5Z is 2, Z will become 2 by 5. 2 by 5, is it uneven? No. A fractions where the denominator is 1, right? Then only you can say that fractions, natural numbers is a subset of fractions where the denominator is 1. We cannot say. But 5Z is 10, Z is 2. Is 2 even? Yes. That means by using statement 1 alone, you are getting two answers. Z may be even or may not be even. If you get more than one answer options, then you will move from statement 1 alone to statement 2 alone. Please remember, when you are solving statement 2 alone, statement 1 does not exist. Statement 2 alone, 3Z even. If 3Z is even, 3Z equivalent to 2, 3Z equivalent to 12. If 3Z is 2, Z equivalent to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 again it is not even. 3Z is 12, Z will be 4. 4 is even. Again by using statement 2 alone, you are getting more than one answer option. So statement 1 alone cannot help us to solve the question. Statement 2 alone cannot help us to solve the question. If I combine these two, 5Z is even, 3Z is even. If I subtract one from the other, 2Z will be even. If 2Z is even, 2Z will be equivalent to 2, 4, 6, 8. Z will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Again you might say that statement 1 and 2 combinedly is also giving more than one answer. Please remember, when you are combining both the statements, the answer you got after combining both the statements should satisfy the statements on which you combined. That means you got Z equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. Z1, does it make 5 into 1 5 even? No, that means 1 cannot be taken. 2, 5 into 2 even? Yes. 3 into 2, 6 even? Yes. That means even though you got 2Z equivalent to even, Z is 1, 2, 3, 4, not all the values of Z can be taken, only the even values of Z can be taken. So Z final answer will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So Z is even. Z is even. Z is even when you combine both the statements together. The learning from this video. Point 1. Always look for unique and a definite answer. Point 2. Don't assume the variables to be integers unless specified. Point 3. When you are solving statement 2, statement 1 does not exist. Point 4. After combining both the statements, the answer you got should satisfy the statements which you combined. Point 5. Reread the question 2 or 3 times before solving it. Data sufficiency problem and quantitative aptitude problems both are different. We are not interested in finding the answer to the question. We are interested in telling whether the statements associated with the question can help us to solve the question or not. Thank you very much for watching this video.